Stop typing everything manually. Seriously, do you know the average person types around 40 to 45 words per minute but can speak over 100 words per minute? That means you're literally working 2 to 3x slower than you could be. So, what if you could just speak and your email, notes, messages, everything gets written automatically for you? That's exactly what Wisper Flow AI does. So, in this video, I'll show you the whole setup from scratch and use it anywhere on your laptop to save hours every single day. And you can even use it anywhere on any of the device you want. So this is the whole web page. You will get the link in the description. What you have to do is just you have to click on the download for Windows. You can even download Flow for Android. And after that, you have to just log in with your Gmail account and then your download will start like this. So after downloading, just run the file and this will be the interface. And as you can see, I have to just click on sign in via browser and I'm doing it. And this is what the interface will be. And as you can see, I'm logged in and I can close this window and I'm opening the Wisper Flow. So you're all done. So it will ask some of the few questions. So you have to just select it. So from here, you can select for what you wanna use this Wisper Flow. I want it for drafting mails, even coding with AI, writing documents, writing posts and comments. So I will select everything. And then as you can see, the permission mode, you can control your data. So here I have to test the microphone and yeah, it's working. Yeah. So as you can see, now we have to assign the keyboard shortcut for here. So the do the button turn purple while pressing them. So what I have to click is Central plus Window. Yeah, so this is the shortcut for this. Even you can edit the shortcut by yourself. This is good. So let's go with this. Yeah. And the selected language, I can also go for the regional language if it is Hindi. Yeah, I'll go for English. And also I'll go for Marathi and English too. So from here you can select plenty of the languages and then you have to just click on continue. So as you can see, now I just have to press down the keyboard shortcut to use the Wisper Flow, right? So control plus Win, right? Now I'll show you the real use case of this. Okay, now as you can see, the platform is Slack here. What I have to do is I have to just click on Control plus Windows button. That is my shortcut. And yeah, that's what I have to do here. Hey Tobias, the flow is exactly working for me and I am testing it currently. Yeah, just look at the accuracy of all the texts, right? Now you might be thinking that even the mic option is enabled on the keyboard, then why we shall use Whisper Flow, right? Now let me tell you, the mic option which you have in the keyboard, it doesn't clear the voice which you say, okay? It means that if you are fluctuating between the sentences or the words while you're speaking, the fluctuation will be printed here and you have to just delete it, but it's not with the Wisper Flow. Now I'll show you again one thing. Now just look at this. Okay, I'll just delete all this. Okay, and now I'll just fluctuate a lot in speaking and I'll show you the real use case. Now again I'm clicking Control plus Windows and hey, actually, I am using Wisper Flow and I have completed my setup. No, 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 no. The setup haven't been completed yet. I am completing it. I mean, now I have completed the whole setup. Yes. Now, just look at this. Okay. Just look at this. Now, if you remember what I said, I have used many of the words there, but see how much refined the script has been printed here, right? This is what it makes this AI tool even more useful, you can say. And yes, then what we have to do is we have to just click on continue and let's try this. Again, I am clicking on Control plus Windows And hi, Greg. Let's connect soon. Are you available on Friday at 3? No, actually at 4. Best ethics. Yeah. So just look at this, how he has refined the whole voice in front of you, right? It had even deleted the and many of the various words here, and that is why the Whisper Flow is the most productive tool used by each and every professional right now. Now let's have a look at this. Whisper Flow will auto format your dictation into lists depending on the context. It even understands when you whisper. Okay, now let's talk in the whispering tone. Okay, I am just clicking on the Control plus Windows option here, and I want to pick up a few things from this tone. Bread, potato chips, and ice cream. So you can see, even if you're whispering on the Whisper Flow, it will understand your whole voice, what you have spoke. It will refine it and it will just convert it into the text. So this is the best keyboard alternative which you can see. You might have been thinking that it's not always possible to speak. So yeah, you can even whisper too. That is a great thing, right? This is the best option this tool has, and it is so accurate. You can even translate your languages. You can even use it while communicating, while texting anyone, for writing emails and each and every stuff. And this is what the actual tool is. So in this way, you can set up and you can see. So you can try this out. The link you will get in the description. And if you want to go and try this out, the link is there. So just click on that link and just try this out. This will increase your productivity for sure. Till that time, we'll meet in the next video.